Put a pause on your creation of motivational YouTube shorts. Here's the unfiltered truth. Persisting might lead to a swift demonetization notice from YouTube in mere days, or at most, weeks. I faced this firsthand after accumulating 10 million views in a mere 90 days. Upon applying for the YouTube Partner Program, my journey hit a snag. Why? My videos, essentially re-uploads, fell short of meeting YouTube Shorts monetization policies. However, hold tight. Contrary to the common narrative, those YouTube gurus claiming success in monetizing such videos don't disclose the substantial effort behind creating a mere 30-second clip. These channels invest hours using sophisticated software like Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. But what if I told you there's a simpler way to produce motivational shorts and reels that not only rack up millions of views, but can also be monetized? This method is entirely groundbreaking, and the proof lies in the millions of views these videos accumulated in just 2 to 3 months. This channel skyrocketed within 3 months, with one video surpassing the 2 million views mark. Notably, a video posted just 3 days ago illustrates how effortlessly one can attain YouTube stardom and monetize shorts. This isn't your run-of-the-mill motivational YouTube short. These creators adopt a novel approach, turning motivational speeches into captivating short stories using AI. This innovative strategy ensures YouTube Shorts rapidly propels their content to a wider audience, resulting in continuous millions of views. Let's take a sneak peek at one of their videos.
In the deepest darkness, a single firefly flickers to life. Its tiny light, insignificant alone, joins others, igniting a constellation across the night sky. Our voices too.
Stick around, as in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of crafting these videos using Google Bard and CapCut. By the end, you'll be equipped to create content that consistently goes viral on YouTube. Ready to take the plunge? Let's dive in. To create these unique shorts, we'll depend on 2 tools. First up is Google Bard, which we'll utilize to generate our video script. Pay attention, as there are 2 ways to approach this: the easy way and the complicated way. As we are lazy, I'll guide you through the easy way. You'll grasp your script idea by using a preset prompt I've laid out in the Google Docsy below. This prompt involves providing a transcript from a motivational video, prompting Google Bard to generate as many similar ideas you want for your video, but I will choose between only 3. Once you receive these motivational video scripts presented as stories, we can move on to the next step. Now, the script needs to morph into a voiceover. For this, we'll employ a text-to-speech website called 11 Labs. Copy your script from Google Bard and paste it into 11 Labs. Choose a voice like Adam or Daniel, as they have a deep voice, which is the ideal. After selecting the voice, click Generate, and within seconds, your voiceover will be ready for download.
In the deepest darkness, a single firefly flickers to light.
With that complete, let's advance to the next step, acquiring stock footage. To ensure your videos quickly go viral, captivating visuals are essential. Similar to the showcase channels, seek visuals that evoke success, supercars, vacation lifestyles, or luxury homes. Head to a free website like Pexels, skip and download 4-6 different footage for categories like supercars, luxury homes, and vacations. But to be more unique, you can go to YouTube and download some trending videos like the new OG in Fortnite or something with the GTA 6 trailer, and then transition with the footage from Pexels. However, it is optional, and I will keep it simple for this time. If you want to know more about it, drop a comment and I will show you how to do it. Now let's come back with your stock footage and voiceover. It's time to weave them together into a cohesive video. You can use your preferred editing software, and as promised, I'll use CapCut for this demonstration. Import your files, including footage and voiceover, into CapCut. Begin by dragging your voiceover onto the timeline, followed by the stock footage. Adjust the video's aspect ratio to 9:16, given that we're creating shorts. Now make swift transitions between footage, as short attention spans necessitate it. Set each clip to display for a maximum of 5 seconds. With the footage in place, ensure it fits the screen perfectly by adjusting its corners. To enhance the motivational ambience, decrease brightness by navigating to the Adjustment tab, reducing saturation to around -50 and brightness to approximately -11. Add a fade-out transition to each clip for a polished finish. The next step is to generate a caption. In CapCut, head to the text area and use the Auto Caption feature. Edit the caption for visual appeal by selecting a template, adjusting colors, sizes, and fonts. You can also add animations to make it more captivating. Check out the result after using CapCut.
Darkness, a single firefly flickers to life. Its tiny light, insignificant alone, joins others, igniting a constellation across the night sky.
With all elements in place, your video is almost ready. Export the video from CapCut and, while uploading, on YouTube Shorts, choose background music from YouTube's recommended sounds. This aligns your content with trending music, increasing its potential virality. Don't forget to reduce the sound before posting. This is the dark secret that makes a big difference for your videos to go viral. While others grapple with monetization and rejected content, your channel, employing this unique approach, stands out in the algorithm's eyes. With these steps, your shorts are primed for virality. Go ahead and unleash them on YouTube. Lazy learners. This is your key to crafting viral content. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.